Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have this Lerobo smart watch band. It's just plain black box. We have instructions here. We have two covers. This one breaks. Microfiber cloth. Some tools to adjust the length of the band. The band itself, it's wrapped in plastic at the moment. And that's what it looks like. Clamp here. Put it on and off easily. That's it. Comes with these wipes here. The extra links if you need to increase it or decrease the length. Everything you need for the watch band. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.